Elon Musk just revealed his $50,000 folding house. As one of the world's richest men, Elon Musk is obviously assumed to be in possession of hundreds of millions of dollars in lavish homes and real estates. But funnily enough, that's not the case with Musk. In this video, we take a closer look at the living arrangements of the richest man alive. You can pause for a moment and hit the thumbs up, the subscribe button, and the notification bell to receive more interesting content from this channel. With an estimated fortune of $219 billion, according to Forbes magazine, Musk is the richest person in the world. The entrepreneur has achieved global fame as the chief executive of electric autos maker Tesla Inc. Tesla, CEOs and lead designer of his space company SpaceX, and the co-founder of PayPal. But despite having more wealth than most people could even fathom, enough wealth to casually drop $44 billion to buy Twitter, in many ways, Musk doesn't live an over-the-top lifestyle. Musk has eschewed mega mansions for much more affordable homes. And he has had issue with his wife Grimes. She claimed that Musk led a minimalistic life and at times lived below the poverty line. "Bro does not live like a billionaire," she told Vanity Fair magazine, to the point where I was like, can we not live in a very insecure $40,000 house where the neighbors film us and there's no security? Grimes said. How about the mansions? Elon Musk has sold all 7 of his homes in California for $128 million, according to U.S. media reports. Among the properties Mr. Musk sold was the former home of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory actor Gene Wilder, who died at the age of 83 in 2016. He agreed to sell the home to the Hollywood star's nephew Jordan Walker Perlman. The billionaire also sold one of his Bel Air mansions to Chinese billionaire William Ding, who paid $29 million for the lavish property. 4 other homes in Bel Air were sold to the Los Angeles property developer Artie Tavangarian. The last of his properties he listed in June 2021, the New York Post reported. At the time, he tweeted, "I decided to sell my last remaining house." So where now does Musk live? Musk took to Twitter to confirm his surprising move to the Lone Star State. In his own words, he said, "My primary home is literally a $50,000 house in Boca Chica Starbase that I rent from SpaceX. It's kinda awesome though," he added. The tiny box house now serves as the primary residence for the father of 7. What is inside this tiny box? Setting it on the grounds of his rocket company SpaceX, the tech tycoon rests his head in a 400-square-foot foldable, prefabricated home. And despite its modest size, the prefab is surprisingly stylish and seems quite comfortable and cozy. According to Cron News, Musk rents the tiny home made by Boxable, a housing startup company worth approximately $50,000. The Boxable Casita, Musk reportedly lives in, is set up like a studio apartment, with one large room partitioned into a living room and bedroom area, a fully equipped kitchen and a bathroom with a tub shower. Boxable posted a video in November from inside the casita, announcing the company had just built it for a high-profile and top-secret customer in Boca Chica. But while the company didn't name names, Boca Chica isn't exactly teeming with celebrities, except one who just moved in recently, the CEO of Tesla. The units are made from steel, concrete, and EPS foam building materials that won't degrade and will last a lifetime, while the walls, floor, and roof are structurally laminated panels that the company says are much stronger than the average building. Unlike other prefabricated homes, the casitas can be folded down from 19.5 feet to about 8.5 feet while being transported on a truck or towed by a pickup truck to anywhere in the world. The actual setup of the unit itself is very fast and can be unfolded into 375 square feet of living space in around an hour. But Musk's goal isn't to have the biggest home in the best neighborhood, but rather to create neighborhoods and homesteads on another planet. And the way in which that could happen depends on a lot more than an immense amount of capital. It requires an equally immense amount of planning, testing, and preparation. And the proximity to his company from his Boxable Casita will give him the advantage of a full-time access to SpaceX's